Do they
Okay.
have divorced couples?
This is the dog that I'm terrified of. This dog. This little dog tries to eat me. It follows me around. Say hi, Chance.
Ming wants a phone. Since you've been telling her forever you're gonna get her a
Okay,
BlackBerry.
that dog scares the crap out of me. Do you see where I'm standing?
Other kids on their phones are surfing the web. They're learning things that they should not.
Chance, come here, Chance. His name's Chance. Chance.
So if all the
Look at the abusive dog. Ew.
My mom always said that you walk right into
There's a rabbit outside. Go. I would go show the rabbit, but what's her face is there?
into their every whim. He thinks it's okay that Ming has a dog. I think not. She's 10. Okay?
Ugh.
Okay. Baby time.
Okay, I'm outside. Look at the bunny. There's one bunny. There's two bunnies. It's gonna try to eat me. Okay, I'm not scared of a bunny, but I'm scared of a dog. That thing right there. We're gonna do the howling thing.
Chance!
Dog! It's trying to eat me! I'm locked outside. I can't go back in. You better move. Dog.
Brown, not bark! Oh my god.
Okay. I'm on a chair. I am terrified of this dog.
It's a little chihuahua.
Do you guys see how big it is? And I'm scared of it.
I hate to say it, but I think Russell's right.
Okay. Well, we're done with this segment of the video. Mwah.